Hey guys, Larry Driver. A lot of people don't know how they take nails out of tires or the machinery that they use. Well, I'm videotaping this little device. A friend of mine in Arkansas didn't know exactly how they do it. He had never heard of this type of device that mechanic shops use to remove a tire. So I'm gonna let you guys just check it out.
Aquella venía con él y esta no la cambié. Pero las rayas las compré nuevas, nuevecitas.
Now try doing that by hand. This is the area where they're going to patch the tire because there was a big screw in my tire. It caused me to lose a lot of pressure last night. I drive for Uber Eats. I was going to drive during that time that you can make more money. Looks like they're pulling teeth, right? Look at that. That's a big old screw right there. So, because I was losing air pressure, I had to go home. Looks like it sounds like you're at the dentist. Pulling a tooth, getting your teeth cleaned. See, he's about to patch the tire right now. He's got to clean it up. This is some kind of glue. Don't try this at home. It's not super stick glue. This is where he attempts to put the patch on. Don't try this at home. It's not Elmer's glue, super stick glue. It's what the tire shops use. If you try this at home, you will have a wreck in your car. The tire will blow up. You have to take it to a professional and let them do the job. Now he's securing that patch to make sure it don't come off by using some device, a metal device, a tool. Looks like something they use to cut pizza with, but it's not. Larry Driver on the scene. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Go to LarryDriver.com, and whatever you do, please subscribe. I want to give a shout out to all the people that have subscribed to me in the past, giving me a like, a thumbs up. I appreciate every one of you guys. Now, this is another device. We're going to put the tire back on. Thank God for technology. Let me get around here where I can show the viewers exactly what he's doing. This to ensure that the tire goes on smoothly and there's no any way that the tire can be cut by forcing the metal on the tire. Look at that. Now he's going to air the tire back up. He uses a gauge to get the exact PSI pressure that you want for a tire. Hey, I'm back, Larry Driver. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, go to LarryDriver.com. He is now putting my tire back on so I can go to work.